Good morning, students. Let us start chapter 4, video 6b. In 6a video, we have done practice time on page number 53 of NCERT. This is video number 6b, in which we will do practice time on page number 53 and 54 of NCERT. So this is Mathematics class 5 parts and whole video. Let us start. See this. There are two triangles. This is question number C, third. Two questions we have done in video number 6a. So you can see this. What we have to do, the white triangle is divided into three equal parts. Fill each 1/3 part with a different color. Okay, we have divided this triangle into three equal parts and we have to shade each part with different color. Can you show that these parts are equal? Okay, now try to make equal parts of this triangle in a different way. Okay, color 1/3 with each different color. So one is there, you can see these are divided into three equal parts, 1, 2, 3. So if it is equal, means this is 1/3 part, this is also 1/3, and this is also 1/3. Okay, what we have to do now, we have to shade each part with different colors. So let us shade it with red. Okay, so we have shaded it with red color. Now shade it with green. Okay, shade it with yellow. At home you can shade properly with pencil color or something, wax color. Okay, so in this way we can divide a triangle in three equal parts. Can you divide this triangle in another way of three equal parts? Yes, you can divide. Try at home. Okay, now how will we prove that these are three equal parts of a triangle, exactly 1/3 of a triangle? For this, let us see what activity we can do. So we can have the same triangle. Let us cut into three equal parts. Then try to fit that three equal parts in the same triangle. Okay, so what will we do? We will cut three pieces like this. We will make this triangle on paper and we will cut three strips. And now try to fit these strips on that triangle like this. Second strip, third strip. In this way, it shows these are exactly 1/3 because it has covered the same triangle. Okay. Now question number D. 6 parts of a rectangle. We can divide a rectangle into 3 equal parts or 4 equal parts. We can divide into 6 equal parts and many other parts. So you can see the first rectangle is divided into 6 equal parts by drawing vertical line, 1, 2, 3 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines. Okay, so can we divide this rectangle in 6 equal parts in another ways? Yes, we can divide this rectangle in another ways by only 5 vertical lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 vertical lines has divided this rectangle into 6 equal parts. 6 equal parts. Okay. When these are divided into 6 equal parts, each strip is equal to 1/6 of total. 1/6 of total. 1 upon 6th of total, 1 upon 6th of total, 1 upon 6th of total, 1 upon 6th of total. Why this 6? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 equal parts, and this is one part of out of 6. This is also one part out of 6. This is also one part out of 6. Same for these 3 strips. Okay. Now similarly, this is also 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6. Okay. So in this way we can divide like this. So how can we prove this is exactly 1/6 of the total? And can we divide this rectangle with another ways? Yes, this is called vertical line. Okay, so we have to divide the rectangle with another ways in 6 equal parts. For that purpose, what we can do? We can divide it by horizontal lines. Okay, and here vertical 2 strips, then horizontal strips, then vertical strip. So you can divide these 2 rectangles in 6 equal parts at your home. Now the question is, how will you check that each part is really 1/6 of the rectangle? Okay, how will we check? And the green rectangle is bigger than blue one. Can we say 1/6 of a rectangle is bigger than 1/6 of the blue? Yes. If total is bigger, means 1/6 also will be bigger. Okay. Now let us see how we will prove 2 rectangles. Take 2 rectangles with 12 centimeter dimension. Okay. This is 12 centimeter. You take these 2 rectangles on paper, cut the paper strip with this 12 centimeter length and width 6 centimeter. Okay, cut the paper piece in these 2 ways, and now what we have to do, we will divide this into 6 equal parts so that it will be 1/6, 1/6, 1/6. So for that purpose we have to cut a mark here on 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Similarly again 2 centimeter, again 2 centimeter. Okay, we will cut. Why 2 centimeter? Because 12 centimeter total strips, we have to divide it into 6 equal parts. So we will divide it into 6, 6 to the 12 means 2 centimeter. So each small strips, each 1/6 will be equal to 2 centimeter width and 6 centimeter length. So let us see. Let us divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you can see this is 1/6 and each of these part is 1/6 part. Now we will cut this paper. Okay, we will cut this paper strip from the line itself. Every paper, every strip we will take out. Okay, then what we have to do, we will cut each strip like this, and we will try to fit this strip on the other rectangle like this. Cut and paste here, another cut and paste here, cut and paste, cut and paste, cut and paste, cut and paste. So these 6 strips have covered the another rectangle with similar lines, similar length, similar width. Means each part was 1/6 of the total. So in this way we can prove that 1/6 part is equal. Okay, because these two rectangles are same in size, so 1/6 of this rectangle and 1/6 of this rectangle is same. If this is bigger, means this 1/6 is bigger than this 1/6. Okay, so thank you. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.